Alright, in this video we will be associating AVI files with mpv inside of a Firejail Sandbox. So this works for any kind of file, but specifically we're going to implement video files and associate video files with mpv. So instead of open with mpv, go ahead and click open with other application, custom, and this will apply to all AVI files. So what we're going to do here is grab the syntax. So in the syntax we're saying use Firejail using this profile at this location, no networking, use a temporary directory, isolate the cache, and then run the mpv binary. Alright, go ahead and click open. Alright, there you go.
Billions and billions of galaxies. The universe.
Alright, so now when we close this and we open up another AVI file, you'll notice that the option to open it with Firejail is the default option. Alright, thank you for watching.